there's no risk of you being cold whilst your central heating system is replaced with an energy efficient Midea air source heat pump. In this video, we'll break down everything that you need to know about the Midea air source heat pump. With a top SCOP rating, or seasonal coefficient of performance rating, of 5.22, that means for every 1 kilowatt of electricity you put into a Midea air source heat pump, you can potentially get 5.22 kilowatt hours of heat out of the Midea air source heat pump, making it up to 5 times more efficient than a fossil fuel boiler such as gas, oil, LPG or an all-electric solution. With an extremely high cold weather performance, providing efficient heating all the way down to -7 degrees C outside temperature, and still operational all the way down to -20 degrees C outside temperature, the Midea air source heat pump can still provide you with 60-degree hot water even when the outside temperature is -20. Another huge benefit and initial saving straight from the outset with the Midea air source heat pump is benefiting and signing up for the Midea MyCare plan. As with any boiler, an air source heat pump requires an annual service to upkeep its warranty, and Midea have a 10-year product warranty with all of their air source heat pumps. By signing up with the Midea MyCare plan, you get your first 3 years servicing on the pump completely free of charge. After the first 3 years, the MyCare plan kicks in at £29 a month as per subscription. However, you can opt out of it after the first 3 years are completed. Industry standard services of an air source heat pump cost around £200. So with you receiving your first 3 years servicing completely free of charge from Midea, that's a £600 saving straight off the bat. If you decide to continue with the MyCare plan at £29 a month, not only does that cover your annual servicing on the heat pump, but it also covers any maintenance and provides you with a 24-hour call out from a Midea engineer. A common misconception on the market is that air source heat pumps are extremely noisy. Well, the Midea air source heat pump is Quiet Mark trusted and certified at only 35 decibels, which equates on the decibel scale to that of a quiet library or a whisper, which means you can make maximum savings on your energy prices without disturbing the neighbours. The Midea app provides you with full control and monitoring over your central heating system, whether you're at home or away. Set schedules and timers to make sure that your property is at your desired temperature, whatever the weather. Now, an air source heat pump is not just a one-size-fits-all for every property out there. It all comes down to how well your property is insulated, such as your loft insulation, wall insulation and the U values of your windows, and the size of the property as well. And this will all determine the size of the pump that you require to get the property to an adequate temperature. On single phase electric supplies range from 4 kilowatts to 16 kilowatts and go up in 2 kilowatt increments. We'll carry out a full heat loss survey at your property and let you know exactly what size heat pump is suitable for your requirements, all benefiting from the £7,500 boiler upgrade scheme through the government. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more, as always, like, share and subscribe, because blue's the colour and renewables are the game.